Alright, today I'm going to do a little bit of lock picking practice. And the first one I'm going to work on, this is a trailer hitch lock, and it's kind of a no-name. I think that's a 5/8 inch shackle. It's got a dust cover. It's supposed to be really secure. Let's see how much this weighs. Okay, this thing weighs in at 13.33 ounces, so it's a heavy duty lock, and it is, let's do a measurement, overall length of approximately 7 inches, and it does come with 2 keys. Make sure these keys work. So yeah, the keys work. And I think, let's see, I'm going to take the key out and just put the lock, or this part, back on. Yeah, that goes on without the key. So let's see how long this thing takes to pick. And here's the timer. And I think I'm going to use this city rake. There we go. City rake. Stick it in there, rake it around a little bit. Well, that took 12 seconds. So that's a pretty junky lock. Let's try one more. This is one of my favorite locks to play around with. It is a completely brass, really nice brass lock. And it is a Commando lock made in USA. Stamped USA in several places. I'm going to time this one too. And this has some nice brass keys. It's got 2 of them. And there's no springs in this, either in the shackle or in the anywhere on the inside. There's no springs. So let's see if we can get this open. And I'm going to use something a little different for this. Let's see if it works. I'm going to use this half a figure 8. See if I can get this done. Okay, so it's a nice lock. It's nice and heavy, and it took 9 seconds to unlock it. See how heavy this thing actually is. Okay, this Commando lock is 11.46 ounces, so it's a nice heavy lock. Not exactly what I call secure. And that's it for today for the lock picking. And we're going to give this made in USA Commando lock just a little cowbell. Knock a bomb.